In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Ladbrokes app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your Player App Store, and then you need to find search, click on search, and search for apps and games. Now type in Ladbrokes, and then go ahead and do a search, and here's Ladbrokes here with over 100,000 downloads, 4.3 star rating with over 1,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on the install button. This is going to go ahead and download and install it onto your phone. And now once that has happened or finished installing, go ahead and click on open, and then from there just go ahead and create an account. So go ahead and click on open. So it'll take you to this page here, and now you want to click on allow notifications. And now you need to enable location services as well to use the app. So go ahead and go to open settings, permissions, and location. So permissions here, and then location, I'm going to allow this. Only allow while using the app, or ask every time, just depends what you want to do. So I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'm going to click out of this, and now I'm inside Ladbrokes. Now from here you can either log in or join or make a separate video for that.